today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva projects using page breaks. Whether you're preparing a presentation, designing a document, or simply adding a touch of creativity to your project, knowing how to effectively insert page breaks can help improve the organization and flow of your content. So let's dive in and make your Canva project stand out. First things first, you'll want to go to your Canva project. If you're not already on the platform, open your browser, head over to Canva's website, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find the specific project you're working on from your dashboard or start a new project if that's what you need. If you're new to this process, don't worry. Canva's interface is user-friendly and guides you with templates and tools that are easy to navigate. Now that you've got your project open, let's move on to the next step. You're going to click on the Elements tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the screen. The Elements section is packed with various graphics and features you can insert into your designs. From icons to illustrations, it truly is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Within the Elements section, you'll want to locate the search bar. Type in page breaks and hit enter. After a moment, you'll see a variety of page break elements appear. These elements can range from simple lines to more elaborate designs, so you have plenty of options to choose the one that best matches the style of your project. Now comes the fun part, choosing your desired page break. Take some time to browse through the options available. Consider how each page break aligns with the theme of your work. Once you've found the one that fits just right, go ahead and click on it. This action will insert the page break into your document automatically. Feel free to reposition it and make any adjustments to its size or color to best suit your design needs. Remember, the goal is to enhance readability and visual appeal, so make sure it complements the rest of your design. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully inserted a page break into your Canva project. It's a simple yet effective way to improve the structure of your designs, making them not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. By incorporating page breaks, you're demonstrating an understanding of clean design principles, making your work more accessible and easier to navigate. Practice this technique on your next project, and over time, you'll naturally develop an eye for design that captivates your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.